Bago ka magsimula ng laundry business, here are some common misconceptions na dapat mo munang malaman. Hi, I am Jericho James Sanchez, Sales Coordinator of Seb Equipment. Our mission is to help aspiring entrepreneurs to build their own sustainable laundry business because we don't just sell equipment, we build dreams. Ito ang mga common misconceptions sa laundry business. Number 1, you'll earn big right away. Oo, kikita ka, pero within 6 to 18 months. Depende yan sa foot traffic, pricing, at competition. Basta consistent ka at may budget plan, madaling babalik ang iyong puhunan. Number 2, low pricing will beat the competition. Yes, okay din mag-offer ng competitive price, pero wag masyadong mababa dahil ang tunay na labanan ay nasa quality, reliability, at customer service. Number 3, all you need is a good location. Basically, good location really matters. Pero sayang ang location mo kung hindi mo gagalingan sa marketing campaign. You need a lot of effort para makilala ang business mo. Tulad ng flyering, creating tarpaulins, online marketing on Facebook, and put your business on Google. Ang laundry business, hindi instant pero kayang-kaya. Planuhin mo lang na maayos and you're on your way to your success. Follow Seb Equipment for more real tips na makakatulong sa business mo. Because here at Seb Equipment, your business, our expertise.